In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit tickets in Freshdesk. If you're managing a busy help desk, making the same change across multiple tickets one by one can be slow and error-prone. Bulk editing lets you update key ticket properties for a group of tickets in just a few clicks, keeping your queue organized and your team in sync. First, head to your Tickets area. On the left sidebar, click the Tickets icon to open the ticket list view. This is your central dashboard for everything currently open, pending, or resolved. You'll see columns for requester, subject, status, priority, and more. Take a moment to scan the list and decide which tickets need the same treatment, whether that's a status update, a reassignment, or a quick message. Next, select the tickets you want to edit together. Use the checkboxes on the left of each ticket to pick specific ones. If everything on the current page needs the same change, click the checkbox at the very top of the list to select all tickets visible on that page. Be deliberate here. Only include tickets that truly require identical updates. It helps prevent sending a reply or changing ownership on something that should remain as is. As soon as you've selected at least one ticket, a menu bar appears at the top. Click Bulk Update. This opens a slide-in pane where you can set the changes you want to apply. Start with the core fields if you need to. Update status to reflect where the work stands, like moving items from open to pending or resolved once action is complete. Adjust priority to reflect urgency, ensuring high-impact issues get the attention they need. Use type to categorize tickets consistently, which helps with reporting and routing later. If you're redistributing workload, assign the selected tickets to a specific agent or group. This is great for routing product questions to the product support group or escalations to a senior team. Keep in mind that assignment changes will notify the new owner based on your Freshdesk settings. You can also add tags to these tickets. Tags make filtering and reporting easier, so choose clear, consistent labels that your team understands. Finally, if the same message applies to all selected requesters, add a reply. Keep it general and professional, since it will go out to everyone you selected. When everything looks right, click Update. Freshdesk will apply your changes across all selected tickets in one go. And that's it, bulk editing in Freshdesk, done quickly and confidently.